Discover this classic, upscale home. Being an original model home, it comes with all the upgrades you would expect. High-end finishes in every room, upgraded lighting, rich quartz slab countertops in the gourmet kitchen. You will love this floor plan. The main floor has engineered hardwood flooring. Enter the expansive foyer and discover a versatile space suitable for use as an office, den, or additional bedroom on the main level. A beautiful, formal dining area for those large gatherings. The gourmet kitchen is a cook's dream. Fully equipped with a 5-burner gas cooktop, large quartz island, and so much cabinetry for storage. The kitchen and family room offer a wide-open floor plan with a small eating area that caters to large groups for mingling. You are going to love the beautiful built-ins, gas fireplace, and rich designer touches. The concrete back patio with the exquisite, covered patio gazebo with cafe lights and rods to hang outdoor curtains is a fantastic way to extend your living space for entertainment. The backyard is fenced and well maintained with a custom-built shed. Upstairs is just as wonderful. The primary suite features dual walk-in closets and a spacious full bathroom, complete with a soaking tub. All bedrooms are roomy, with one suitable for use as a bonus or TV room. So many upgrades. This is an opportunity that is available to see. Home Energy Score equals 5. HES report at https://rpt